something like that when I fought that boss. Wish he would have told me there was no mist the first time we fight him. I thought there was a mist, so I was going to keep going until I got to the mist.
It's usually... Oh wait, that's right.
Not the
Yeah,
first time.
up there. Right. I can't believe I just lost all that blood like that.
Yep.
I killed that thing. How did I get it? And now I get killed by it.
I hate when that happens.
Just snap me if you want to stick.
See, again, is the blood that I lost fighting him, does he have it, or does somebody else have it? Like, is it just outside of there? Oh,
I don't, I really don't know if you get that back or not. I got 1,032. Why is it saying that was retrieved? He didn't kill me.
Yeah, no, that's what I've had that too. The guy that doesn't kill you gives you the stuff back.
Right. That's the one that killed me.
Was there another one? I can't remember. No? Okay, good.
I mean, I'm already back up to 1750, man, but that was over 6,000, almost 6,500, dude. That's way too much to lose like that.
Oh, here we go.
Oh god, then obnoxious birds again.
Oh, and he did. Oh, and I have to search his corpse too.
Did you kill him?
Who? No, not the boss, dude. No, god, no.
Oh, I thought you were fighting him and you killed him.
No, I mean I could have if that fucking potion would have worked, but he just kept slashing me really far.
Right, and he don't even stop either. That's the bad thing.
Like I was trying to dodge, but it wouldn't let me, so I was like, fuck it, okay, just use the thing and then try.
Yeah, and after all this girl beat it on her first time, man, I call hack. Like Mr. Gary would say.
Well, it wasn't too difficult, so I mean, I could understand if it was true.
I seriously call hack though.
Compared to the thing on the bridge, it was a lot easier. The thing on the bridge, I couldn't dodge. I could dodge.
Right.
Oh, Jesus.
Cut him down at the knees.
I can't even remember where I died. What's with that body up there?
Alright.
There's a body sitting up there. I don't know how to get it. Probably have to fall down or something. Yeah, screw it. I'm gonna try and get it. Kills me. I'll be pissed.
Oh, this is horrible, man. I'm gonna have to go down there. I don't feel comfortable going down there.
Yeah.
No, this area, man, I'm telling you, it's deep down in the city, and it's got fog. What the heck is that? Whoa, what is this? Whoa, what is this? Oh my god, man. This thing is freaking tough. You have no idea.
No idea? No idea at all?
It looked like a woman transformed with like an octopus type head with tentacles coming out of her mouth. She was super strong. I don't want to fight that again. That thing was strong even with my axe.
I want to get that thing.
You what?
There's this body on like a raft, like not a raft, like a beam going across in the sewers here, and I want it.
Right, I know what you're talking about. It has something, but I don't remember what. Bloodstone makes it. Twin bloodstone shards.
Oh, god damn it. I had it too. I was just trying to... gonna have to fall and then just hit X and just hope. Attempt number 3. Third time's a charm, right? That's how this works.
Hidden pathways ahead.
Oh, it's just a bloodstone shard. God damn it. Alright, let's go search out dude's corpse.
Yeah, I'm starting to think these specters are just jokes, man, because there's nothing down here that would have hurt this guy. Remember, man, beast, and unseen village waits ahead.
Man, village... what?
Man, beast, and undead... what? Man, beast, and unseen village.
Oh, unseen village. I was like, undead village? Wait, what? Is that a village of undead, or is the entire village a living undead zombie thing?
Really, he wants the password.
It's Nixon.
Keep... I don't know, so my guy just says keep quiet. Or it says for my guy just to keep quiet, really. How am I supposed to know the password? Friend waits ahead.
Madman's knowledge? What the hell's that all about?
It gives you, bonus insight that I have in the corner I was telling you about.
Oh, just one?
I guess.
Wretched outsider. Trying to fool me to open this door. Heavens, the depths of depravity.
Trying to deprive you of anything. Hey buddy, what's up? How's it going?
What?
This dude has like a fucking corpse. What the fuck? Is he doing it? He's not even a corpse, it's just a golem statue, I think. Hit me with a gargoyle. Silly ogre. Trick of kids. Where the hell am I
Stupid,
climbing to?
obnoxious birds. I'm busy fighting. Freaking birds, man. They're so obnoxious.
Oh, this is it.
You're busy fighting. You're busy fighting a hunchback, and they try to butt in and make that loud, stupid noise that they like to do, so